Hey yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to buy our phone covers and this is a short vlog. Hi Roosevelt. Hi Pudavan. Hi Jayan. What's up? Hi Sheroy. So guys, here we go. So guys, I've just received a parcel from its Prolicious. It's at home. The unboxing will be at the end of today's video, this video. Okay, so do check it out. Okay, and do follow its Prolicious on Instagram and do follow me on Instagram. Okay,
and Kudan Metta.
and guys, do subscribe to my second YouTube channel. It's a gaming channel. I make COD videos. Okay, so do subscribe to that channel. The link will be in the description.
And the pro player is here.
Yes sir, big fan. So guys, now we are at Fort MC. You can see everything is shut. It's complete lockdown. Too much sun, sorry. So guys, we are going to buy a mobile cover right now. And we are at Fort right now and everything is shut except a few shops. So we are gonna buy mobile cover, then we are going to eat Burger King at Burger King. So, wait, this is not the end of today's video. So as I told you at the start of video, I have received this amazing box from It's Prolicious. The Instagram handle is It's Prolicious. Thank you Prolicious for sending these. Let's check it out. Wow, peri peri crackers. She's one crackers. And one more. Wow, Maggie crackers. So do check out these crackers and go buy it right now from Prolicious. The Instagram ID will be in my description, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you Prolicious for sending these amazing crackers. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you'll enjoy this short vlog. Don't miss out more videos, so do subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Like, share and comment which part did you enjoy the most. I'm tired. See you all.